Hello everyone and welcome to my new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up the AV Framework program into the Crestron virtual controller and how to make your first room. Okay, basically in the description of this video you can find the resource library file also link where you can download the last version of AV Framework for the virtual controller. Okay, so basically when you download it, you will find some zip file. You need to unzip it and put in some place where you know where it is. Okay, so I'm logged in here in our virtual controller, and the first step after downloading is next. So we will go to the actions, add program, then we will put the user defined name for the program, so basically whatever we like, program AV. I will skip the description, and then for the program file I will go choose, and here it is my downloads and the AV framework, and we will choose with this extension CPZ. Okay, open, then we will go next, then select choose next or file type to select the necessary AV Framework program file, and then select upload to upload the file to the program. So the following files must be uploaded. For Xpanel web, select the Xpanel zip file. So we go here, choose, and that is file with this kind of extension CH5Z. Click open. Then configuration pages, you choose index.zip, open, and for TCW go choose, choose, and for that we will use this with VTZ and TC in the name. Open and click add. Okay, so we added the program, and the next step is to add the AV Framework rooms. For that action, we can go here on the actions and click add room, or we can go down here in status, rooms, add room. We will choose our program, then we will provide the name, so room main, whatever. ID room is also obligation to add. I will put number 1. This is all other optional, and click add. After sometimes it will start in the starting, and now we expect running, and this means that this room is ready for use. Then we go to room main, and we can see the configuration URL and XPath is not specified. That means that somehow the program didn't uploaded the files. So if you have this kind of issue, you go to the settings, you to the home, then go to the settings, program library, you edit your program AV, and you can see. So we will choose again Xpanel, choose, open, configuration is index like previous one, and TCB is this one. Update. Yes. Okay, let's wait it. If you go now to the edit, we see there is. Go back to the room. And now here it is. The next step is to click here on the configuration, but just to remember, before we do that, we have to first make our authentication token. We go home, settings, tokens, and I already make here. I will delete it and make again just to show you. So we go add token, it's whatever kind of description AVF, and you have here the button to copy. Okay, go back to the room, configuration role, and he will ask you for the token. You copy paste, thing in, and here it is. Now, from now on, you are able to set up this room. So, device management, dashboard, logs, configuration, so you can add, delete, and etc. different devices. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it. For any kind of suggestion and comments, please write in the comment. And I hope you will subscribe, share, and like. Thank you everyone. Goodbye.